Toon shaders in Blender are both dope and easy to make, so let's see how we can do it. Go with any object from the Add Mesh menu, the monkey maybe, or the teapot if you have the extra mesh on. Subdivisions are also key here for shadows, so hit Ctrl 2 for a subdivision surface modifier, and right-click for shade, smooth the mesh. We need to work on Eevee render. You can check the ambient and bloom if you want, and make sure the colors are set to standard in the render settings. I will put the background on transparency from the film tab, then we need to add a light. An area light or the sun should do fine, so add it to one side of the object, and it's better to make it cast on the front face a bit. You can, in the light settings, put the angle at 0 and uncheck the shadows, but that's optional. For the shading part, open a shading editor on the side, then add a new material to the mesh. Use the principle BSDF with a shader to RGB node. Then use a color ramp to play with the shade's gradient. Hit the plus icon on the ramp to add a third color, then make it on constant type for sharp transition between the shades. We should now increase the light strength until we see all the shades we added to the ramp, so we should have 3 shades visible. Then you can adjust the style from the ramp color sliders. What remains are the colors, so just pick one you like and hit Ctrl C to copy it by hovering over the color area, then paste it with Ctrl V to the darker shade one by one, and adjust the value count to make a gradient from light to dark shades. Some might go into adding a contour line around the mesh with the Solidify modifier or the Grease Pencil tool. You do need for the Solidify a new unassigned material in the mesh, then switch the material offset to 1 and flip the normal if the colors are switched. And that's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe for more dope stuff, and get the file from the shop for free with many other stuff that you may like. See you in another video. Stay sharp. Goodbye.